Hey twin, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. I pray that you guys are blessed on this fine day. I am back with a new video. So I have a new wig from Rpgshow. I will have all the details and links located in the info section below. So in case you guys are interested in this wig, be sure to check that out. So the wig that I picked up is this new Glueless Fit 2.0. This is their tinted transparent Swiss lace upgraded pre-plucked pre-bleached hairline lace frontal wig. Okay, now you do have the 13x6" lace, which is again tinted transparent Swiss lace, so therefore it melts into the skin. You have all of those bleached knots, tons of parting space. My unit is 20 inches long. It's in this gorgeous Yaki wavy texture, and it is in the color espresso brown with caramel highlights. Now that sounds so yummy. So as usual, I like to go ahead and put my wig on my canvas block and just prep it to be worn. I like to do this a day in advance. I just applied a little bit of gel along the edges, slicked that back, applied my edge band. Now I'm applying a little bit of my wax stick, using my hot comb, going through it, flattening everything out, and then I'm just going to touch up these curls. Though it didn't need it, this wig does come 100% ready to go. So if you're not a styler or if you are a beginner, this wig is like literally ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and finish touching up these curls, and I will see you guys once I'm finished. So I let the wig sit and rest overnight. This is the very next day. So now I'm going to go ahead and take a very sharp pair of cutting shears, and I'm going to carefully trim back that lace. You guys have seen this process done plenty of times, but we do get some new subscribers. Hey friend, I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how I trim off the lace. This is what the unit is looking like. Check out the lace. It does have the removable adjustable logo band inside the cap. So I'm going to go ahead and get this wig installed and see what we're working with. So the lace is still a little too light for my skin tone, so I'm going in using my Ebin tinted lace spray. I sprayed it on a makeup brush, and I'm just applying that just along the lighter portions of the lace. I later decided that I think I want a little bit of baby hair, so I just pulled the smallest amount out. Gonna cut those down and then go ahead and get those laid. Taking a little bit of my wax stick and I'm applying that to the very top of the wig. I'm then using my curling wand just to flatten everything out, and then brushing through the curls to kind of get those to break apart a little bit, adding some volume. And you guys, this is what these curls are giving. And do y'all notice that little pop of color? That's the caramel highlights that I was talking about. And yes, I didn't use any adhesives. This is 100% glueless. They have their new Glueless Fit cap, so it fits so comfortably for a 13x6 that you don't need any glues, tapes, or anything like that. So y'all, I am just in love with the texture of this hair. Oh my god, it's just the movement in the body, the shine, the luster. It's just definitely giving, and I just love the little peekaboo highlights that they kind of give you. It's not over the top, it's not too bold, it's just enough. Very classy, very mindful, very demure. And I'm here for it. So this is where the wig hits on me, and I'm 5'9". It's about waist length for a 20-inch. They give you tons of parting space on this 13x6. You could definitely reposition the part and get yourself a deep side part. Just kind of let you guys see how easy it is. And look at that scalp. Like when you part this unit, they give you scalp everywhere. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and reposition this unit to a curved side part. Alright, and so this is what this wig is looking like in a side curved part. So yeah, once again, you guys, this wig does come from Rpgshow. I'll have all the details and links located in the info section below. They are having their Black Friday sale with discounts up to $130 off all November long. So go ahead and get your units at a discounted price just in time for Christmas. Y'all, let me know what you guys think about this unit. Yes, I am absolutely loving it, and I will talk to you guys on the next video. I love you guys. Have a blessed one.